Purchase of good products at the best price. The most important thing if you decide to start your commercial activity is that you keep in mind that offering your products is at a lower price than the competing does not mean that you offer it with less quality. The product has to be as good or better than the rest. This is a marketing strategy to make yours known and demonstrate your ability as a company. Among the advantages of buying a product at a low price is that more profits and more customers are obtaining quality image at good price. It is according to various studies the best possible positioning within the market and especially its product line. Offering low price is a significant advance over the competition. It cannot be denied. As for the disadvantages, lowering price generally means cutting costs, and in the not always possible. Another is that you are going to have more than the competition. The customer is going to doubt more about the quality of the products. Good cost management in a company can guarantee its success. Any type of expense depends the final result of the bossing taking into account the accumulation of less over time. It should not be forget that, in simple terms, the profits of a company are given with the difference of its total income less its cost at expense. The presentation. Pantene shampoo for only 25. Choose a good product for only this low price. You will not think. Grab this opportunity to take more. By paying less. If you are trained at software high, it can be us be booming and its quality is better than that of anywhere other product is available while the supply lasts. Is the best option for you are. So using Pantene shampoo, the chance do not hesitate to use it. You will not regret it. Thank you.